War crimes, also known as crime against international humanila, humanitarian law, and are defined in RA 9851, is the law that defines and penalties war crimes in the Philippines. It incorporates the definition from international law, including the Geneva Convention. Example of crime under this law include willful killing, torture, causing great suffering, destruction of destruction or appropriation of property during armed conflict. Um, Example of willful killing. Willful killing, often referred to as a murder in illegal context, is the international act of taking another person's life. Laws and penalties surrounding willful killing vary significantly across different jurisdictions. And torture. Torture is the act of inflicting severe physical or mental pain on someone, often a means of punishment, correction, or obtaining of information. It's widely considered a serious human rights violation and is prohib- prohibited under various international laws and conventions, including the United Nations Convention Against Torture. And causing great suffering. Causing great suffering can refer to action or situation that inflicts significant physical or emotional pain, distress, or hardship or individual or groups like human rights abuse, act like torture, oppression, or violence, neglect or abandonment, failing to provide necessary care or support, na- natural disasters, even like earthquake, hurricanes, or fam- famines, conflict or war, situation where people experience violence, displacement, or loss, destruction, or appro- appropriation of property during armed conflict. During armed conflict, destruction or appropriation of property can refer to looting, destruction of infrastructure, and appropriation of resources. This action can be governed by international humanitarian law, um, which aims to protect civilians and regulate conduct during conflict. Yun lang.